fury. Extreme anger or rage. Her eyes were filled with fury. She spoke with fury in her voice. Achy. Having a dull, continuous pain. My legs feel achy after the run. Cold weather makes his joints achy. Dicey. Risky, uncertain, or dangerous. Driving in the storm was dicey. That road is dicey at night. Messy. Dirty, untidy, or not well organized. His room is always messy. Cooking without care can get messy. Daisy. Confused, weak, or not thinking clearly. He felt daisy after waking up suddenly. She walked around in a daisy state. Itty. Very small. He took an itty bite of the cake. She held an itty kitten in her hand. Husky. Strong, deep, and rough. He spoke in a husky voice. My friend is tall and husky. Flurry. A sudden short period of activity, snow, or movement. A flurry of snow fell in the morning. The wind sent a flurry of leaves across the road. woodsy. Related to the woods or having the smell or feel of a forest. The cabin has a warm, woodsy smell. We enjoyed a quiet, woodsy walk. Eggy. Tasting or smelling like eggs. The soup tasted a bit eggy. He doesn't like eggy flavors.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!